another thing is meeting so many different types of people, because when you work there, as long as I worked there, you get to know people personally, and they become very much like your friend. No 2 days are ever the same working in the library.